Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to be filming tonight's video because it marks my first ever makeup haul. So if you aren't familiar, there is this beautiful website on the internet for us makeup lovers called Shop Miss A. And Shop Miss A is basically a makeup store that sells stuff for literally $1. Yes, $1. So I've shopped there a couple times before, you know, like I've bought like their sponges and stuff, but I did a semi-big haul this time around, so I'm excited to be unboxing all of this. I haven't opened anything yet. I only opened this much, but there's not, like, I haven't opened the actual makeup. So I initially came into Shop Miss A to buy like a couple of sponges because there was this deal going on where it was like $1 shipping if you spend $5. And I ended up spending like $35. So I honestly don't even remember what I bought. So this is almost like Christmas because I don't remember anything that I bought. So yeah, if you guys would like to see what I got in this video, then please stay tuned. So it came in this beautiful packaging. Oh, and fun fact, I lost my package. It was nowhere to be found for like a week and a half, but I found it, or the post office found it, and I'm thankful because I was about to be really upset if I lost all this makeup. But yeah, here it is in this bubble wrap, all safe and secure. I hope nothing's broken. Oh, here we go. Here it all. Okay, stuff's falling, so please hold while I get my life together. All right, so I'm gonna kind of roulette this and kind of just dig my hand into the bag and see what I grab, and like whatever I grab is like what I'll just talk about. So right now, what is this? I literally have not looked, like I swear. Ooh, this is lash glue. Okay, so I bought this lash glue. It is the A+ Super Strip Lash Adhesive Glue, and it's from AOA Studio, and it is clear. This is actually $1.88 and it says so, but AOA Studio has a couple of special items that are like the extra 88 cents or 55 cents or whatever goes to charity. So I believe this one is going to education if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm excited to try this because this is $1 lash glue, and like lash glue is like very iffy, so I hope I like it. Should I unbox it? Should I like open it? No, I'm not gonna open it. I'm not gonna open it. But, well, yes I am. Yes I am. I'm opening it right now. Let me do it in front of the camera. Ooh, it's cruelty free. It has the bunny on it, and let me see. It looks like lash glue. It looks exactly what you would think it is. So hopefully it is worth the $1.88. Ooh, next is this makeup pouch. I saw like they had a lot of pretty like plastic makeup pouches. So hold on, let me open it. This is like literally an unboxing. You love to see it. And ooh, this is so nice. This is gonna be really like in handy, like if I travel and stuff, or like I'm on the go. And it's just like eyelashes. There was a whole bunch to pick from, but like I loved the eyelashes. This is really cute, and it's just so simple and compact, and I'm here for it. What else? Okay, this is what I came in here for. I came in for a whole bunch of sponges, and I got a whole bunch of other stuff. But these are the AOA Studio Paw Wonder Blenders, and as you can see from the packaging, these are $1.55. So I believe 55 cents out of the like what I paid for is going to like I think an animal shelter or something like that. So yes, 55% of each Paw product sold helps support animals in need. Visit Shop Miss A to learn more about our charity. Thank you for your support. So I feel good about my purchase because I'm helping animals in need. So yeah, these are the Paw Wonder Blenders, and they're super soft. I've actually used these before and I really like them. So I'm excited to have a whole bunch because I bought a whole bunch. Ooh, next, I bought some premium lashes from AOA Studio. These are natural and luxurious. I feel like they were called something. Oh, they were called Carlene. Here they are. It was called Carlene. So yeah, I'm a lash fiend. I'm a lash hoarder. Literally right after this, I'm getting ready to film a lash video for something else. And yeah, I can't wait to try these and just, you know, do a little tutorial with them and just feature them. What is next? Oh, this is big. This is big. What is this? Ooh, oh, this is Pro Setting Spray. So this is the UHD, so ultra high definition, long lasting matte finish Pro Setting Spray. Let me open this up. Okay, I don't even remember what this looked like. Oh my gosh, this is fancy. Okay, and it's like, this is big. This is the ultra high definition, long lasting matte. Let me see if it has a scent. It has a slight fragrance to it. It's like, it's nice. It's like a very, very, very light perfumey scent, but like not like intense, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to use this and see how it holds up because I'm very particular about my setting sprays. Okay, I'm trying to feel like, okay, this is definitely another blender. I can feel it. Oh, and yes. Okay, so, oh, I really wanted to try these. This is the microfiber Wonder Blender from AOA Studio. And again, these were $1.55 instead of $1. Oh my God. It feels like one of those, it's like a microfiber sponge. So, ooh, 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 ooh. And I feel like these are promising. And the best thing about this whole haul is like, if something sucks, I'm not that mad about it. It was literally $1. Like, again, for pawpaws, so money is going to animals in need. And I don't know what more you want. Okay. Cool. And this is another microfiber Wonder Blender. This is in like pink and blue. It's a very weird color. It's like shifting. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's like shifting like blue and pink. Or am I crazy? No, I'm not crazy. It's definitely shifting. That's cool. I don't know if the microfiber is like special, like super special. We'll see. Another sponge, you can feel it. Yep, more pawpaw. This is in the teardrop shape, so same old deal. Oh, I bought a blender holder, like one of the eggs. So this is a whirly blender holder. Ooh, this is fancy. Because normally blenders, like, it's low-key gross how sometimes we just set them like somewhere instead of, you know, like putting them in one of these. So hopefully this is gonna keep me in check. And what is down here? What is this? Let's see. This is, oh, this is highlighter. This is a Muse Cosmetics highlighter. Never heard of Muse Cosmetics. So it kind of looks like an eyeshadow. Like, this is marketed as a highlighter, but it kind of looks like an eyeshadow to me. Well, we won't know unless we try it. I'm planning on filming a whole video, like a full face of like AOA Studio Shop Miss A makeup anyway. So yeah, this is the highlighter. I'm not sure. Oh, this is the eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Muse Cosmetics eyeshadow palette that I bought. I wanted to have an eyeshadow palette to see how good a $1 eyeshadow would be. So let me open it up really quick. I'm trying to peel the tape. It looks okay. It's like simple, but I feel like I can make something happen with it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm interested to see. Maybe I could do like film like a nice like fall makeup tutorial with this, just like super easy, super natural. And that's it for everything in here. Some stuff fell, but I actually found them. And ooh, this right here is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and I got it in the shade Banana. I am very nervous about $1 powder because I feel like powder is one of those things that's very easy to like mess up, and it's very easy to have bad quality of. I'm trying to open this so it'll, please hold. All right, after literally like 2,000 years, I finally unboxed it or whatever. I got it out of its little plastic packaging. And I was saying earlier, I'm kind of nervous because it's powder and I feel like powder is really easy. Great. It kind of went everywhere. We're gonna see how this looks, or how this turns out, because as of right now, I'm a skeptic. This product right here is also from AOA Studio, and it is the Argan Oil Sponge Soap. So I've never used one of these before. So basically, let me see, I think, oh yes, you open it, and it's sealed right now, but it's basically just like a bar, like honestly, it just looks like soap, but I guess it's definitely special. Maybe the stuff that's like it's made out of to like clean your beauty blenders and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try this and see how it works. Let me just unpackage it right now because who cares? And yeah, it smells good. It's very strong, and I hope it'll do a good job of cleaning out my blenders. And this was also $1.55. It's another Paw special edition thing. Okay, so this bag right here is filled with a whole bunch of different things. So let's open it right now. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Brow. So, ooh, this is a pomade. Oh my goodness, I did order a pomade, huh? I ordered basically a full face, so I did my absolute best to. So give me 2 seconds while I unwrap this and unravel it. Okay, so she's out of her packaging. Let's twist it and turn. It looks like it's definitely gonna be a good match for my eyebrows, but now the question is like whether or not it's a good product or not. And it is in the shade dark brown, which is how most of my brow pomades are. And yeah, it's tiny, it's a little thing. Hopefully it packs a good punch. Ooh, next I got this Wonder Skin mattifying primer, focus, thanks. And also $1 primer, sounds a little sketch. And this is also from AOA Studio. Most of this is from AOA Studio because that's like one of the biggest brands on Shop Miss A. I also believe it's like the OG Shop Miss A like brand. But anyway, it has a squeezy tube, which I really like and appreciate. And as you can see, it's this like it's this yellowish type shade. Oh, and it's, let me see, here it is on the back of my hand. This is awkward, but this is kind of how it blends. It definitely blends, and I can tell it's going to be mattifying. Like I can feel it. So I'm going to see how this holds up. Like I'm very curious to see whether this is a good product or not. Next, this is the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. And this, honestly, between the packaging and like the color and the font, this reminds me of the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. And let me see how the wand looks. Oh yeah, this is definitely supposed to be like, kind of like the sister or the wannabe Bad Gal Bang. And it's in the shade black, and I'm excited to try it. I don't like spending a lot of money on lashes, so hopefully this is like good. Or like mascara, not lashes. I still don't like spending a lot of money on lashes. But hopefully this Fat Lash mascara can do its job. I have the Bad Gal Bang, so maybe I'll compare them. We'll see how I feel. Oh, this is the AOA Studio Wonder Cover HD Concealer. And this is in the shade Fawn. Oh, sorry, let me show it. And this is in the shade Fawn. And you know what's really funny? Fawn, if you are knowledgeable in makeup and like, you know, cosmetics and stuff, Fawn is a very popular shade of the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And what was even crazier was that as I was like searching through the names, I noticed that literally every single concealer in this collection had the exact same name as the LA Girl Pro Concealer shades. I was like, is that legal? That doesn't sound legal, but whatever, I'm not a lawyer. It looks lighter than Fawn. Yeah, this definitely looks a little lighter than Fawn because I own Fawn. Hold on, let me compare Fawn. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is LA Girl Fawn, and this is the AOA Studio Fawn. Okay, I don't know how to show you guys, but let me see. This one right here is Fawn, and then this one right here is AOA Studio, I think. Either way, they look very similar. Oh. This is the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation, and it already does not look like my shade at all. Something was telling me to just order the darker one, but I was like, no. Yeah, it's gonna be a little too light. Dang it. Something was telling me to, you know, get the other shade, and I didn't listen to my conscience because this is gonna be a wee bit too light. I can already tell. So that, well, yeah, I don't like frosted bottles because it's actually a little bit darker than it looks, but it's still, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit too light for me. We're gonna try it in another video, and if it doesn't like work, I'm just gonna mix it with one of my darker foundations and just call it whatever. Bummer. Okay, next is I got a lip gloss. This is just super simple. This is gonna go on like my purse or like my pencil case at school, and this is the Fruity Pop flavored gloss. And I got watermelon because I love watermelons. It's like one of my favorite, you know, scents or like artificial things. So yeah, it's just in this simple cutesy packaging. Here it is unpacked outside of its, you know, it's in, oh, it smells good. It smells good. It smells like a Jolly Rancher type thing. That's good. Focus, thanks. Ooh. Yeah, that's dope. That's what's up. Next, we have this AOA Studio Perfect Eyeshadow Primer. Hold on, focus. Okay, cool. I am interested in seeing how this turns out. I'm normally not an eye primer type of person. I normally just use a concealer and call it a day. So this is very light, which I don't mind because I like my eye primers and stuff super light. And I don't know about that. It looks like it's about to be super sheer. Hold on, let me show you my arm. This is the eye primer right here. I feel like it's about to be super sheer and not give me the coverage that I want. Well, let me not judge a book by its cover. But as of right now, I don't know how to feel about it. This is the AOA Studio Oh Honey Nourishing Lip Oil. Sorry, I had to read that over. Oh, I got apple. That smells good. That smells good. I don't know why I'm like putting it up to the camera like you can freaking smell it, because you can't. But, is this the last thing I got? I think this is the last thing I got. Is this AOA Studio lipstick in the shade Island. Let me take it out of its encapsulament. I'm not skeptical about lipstick. I feel like you can't go that wrong with lipstick, like, you know. And it looks very nice, looks very shiny. Here it is. Ooh. And I like it. I bought this color specifically because it looked very fall and very vampy. So, okay. All right. And it's definitely satin. It's not like a matte finish, which is fine by me. Let me just make sure this isn't like the rest of it. So, all right. Last but not least is a blush from AOA Studio. This is the Perfect Blush in the shade Stunner. It is a very dark blush, which is like right up my alley. I love dark blushes. Like, and now that it's fall, it's like perfect. And I think I have high hopes for it. I love blush. I don't really splurge on blushes. So I have a good feeling that this is gonna be up my alley and the quality I want it to be. And yeah, this is my thing. I'm gonna have a lot of fun using that. That wraps the freaking haul. I'm done. That's it. I bought so much stuff from AOA Studio. I will hopefully be doing a full face or semi-full face, or like just trying out all of these products in a separate video to show you guys my impressions and how I feel about all of these products. If you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me and it just gets my name out there, and I'm really enjoying this whole little YouTube thing I'm doing. So if you guys could support, that would make me so happy. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.